Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Code and Chunks. So today we will discuss about the encapsulation in Python. Encapsulation is very important topic in OOPS, so you need to focus on this. So I'm deleting that and I will do new code. So here I will declare a class. Suppose that class name is my Insta account. So I will create a object. I will pass the value when I will create the object. So I need to create a constructor for that. In the constructor I need to have two parameter like name and password. Self dot name, I will create that as a private variable because I don't want what is the mean of private variable? I don't want to access that outside the class, so that's why I am creating that private variable. So we can create a variable as a private, public and protected. If you will not write underscore here, so this is a public variable. If you will write single underscore, this is protected, double underscore, this is private. So private variable means I don't want anyone can access that outside the class. So suppose this variable I will create public because the name it's normal. So I will give the value. Now self, I will create password as a private. Okay, now this thing is done. What I will do, I will create object like a1 Insta. I need to pass two value, name Harry, password abc @123. If you will run that, object is created. Now a1 dot name. Why I am not getting the suggestion for the password? Why? Because it's a private. You cannot access that outside the class. Okay. Why? Because I have used double underscore. So anyone can print the password. I don't want that. I want the user. Only user can access the password. So I can print name here. So now to print the value, I will create different variable like print password. I will create to print the password. I will take one parameter name. If self dot name equal to name, then only print the password. Else print not a valid user. Okay. So what I will do, to print the password, I need to call that method, that is print password. I need to pass a value, that is my name. Suppose I will pass Bob. So if I will run that, firstly I need to run that because print password is not created. I need to run that. Now I will run this, not a valid user. You can see I cannot print that the password if I will not create that as a private. If I will create that as a simple public, what I can do, I will create a object that will be a1. Okay, so a1 dot, you can see now here I can print the password. Okay, and this caused the security issue. Okay, so I don't want that. I will create a method. In the method I receive one parameter. If it's a wrong user, then I will display that message. If it's a right user, I will give Harry. Hey Harry, what wrong thing? Insta object, no attribute, insta password. Okay, now we remove that, so that's why it was the error. I was showing you example, so now it's working fine. Okay, so I removed the double underscore, that's why like it was causing the issue, but now I didn't notice that. So this is a security purpose. Okay, like that we can access the ID, we can access the password, you can create a public variable, you can create a private variable. What is the mean of protected? If you will use a single underscore, that means you are creating a protected variable. Protected variable will work in the child class, means you can access that in the child class. Private variable you can access only inside the class, means you cannot access that outside the class, even it's a child class also. If you will create a child class of Insta, you cannot access that private variable in the child class, but you will create that as a public and protected. So protected variable can access in the child class, and public variable can access anywhere. Okay, so that's it for today. Encapsulation I will show you with more example tomorrow, but I don't want to drag that video too much. I want to create short videos by the step by step you can understand the process. So that's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel.